Breault is pleased to announce the ASAP 2009 V2R2 release. Included in this release, a new shrink geometry option allows users to remove unnecessary surface trimming information contained in imported CAD geometry files. A proprietary process that optimizes imported system geometry for ray tracing. Also included is a new ray export feature, allowing users to export rays in an IGES file format using the same tools for exporting optical system geometry already present within ASAP. The exported file may contain anywhere from a single ray up to the limit of the total number of rays traced. Contact us today to learn more about this exciting ASAP release.